Stop settling for low-resolution prints. 4 high-precision machines deliver 8K detail across massive build volumes. Grab pricing and links from the description to discover which machine dominates the detail game. 34 microns of precision make 4K resin printing accessible. Entry-level machines often struggle with build volume. The Mono 2 uses a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD with 4096 by 2560 resolution to provide a 165 by 89 by 143 millimeter area. This enables the production of detailed miniatures without needing a massive footprint. USB Type-A connectivity keeps the workflow simple. A protective anti-scratch film guards the glass. This film prevents resin drips from ruining the screen. Detailed 4K results transform the hobby. Small, intricate details on miniatures appear sharp. Fast setup lets you start printing in minutes. Menus are intuitive and easy to navigate. Simple removal of prints from the build plate keeps the process smooth. Need a stable base? Slippery feet on the bottom make the machine slide on smooth surfaces. Lightweight construction gives it a cheap feel. Those who want an affordable entry into SLA printing are the right fit. Pass if you need the larger build volume of the Mono X2, the budget-friendly 4K starter kit. 48 microns of precision-delivered details smaller than a grain of salt. Budget printers often sacrifice build volume for resolution. The Mono X2 utilizes a 9.1-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD to maintain a 200 by 196 by 122 millimeter area. This enables the production of full-size dragons or entire squadrons of miniatures. A screen protector prevents resin drips from ruining the glass. The 48-micron XY resolution creates the real win. High-resolution 4K plus output ensures crisp edges on complex models. Quick setup allows you to start printing in minutes. Menus are intuitive and fast to navigate. A pre-installed screen protector adds a layer of safety for the LED glass. Hate tedious leveling? Manual 4-point leveling requires patience to get right. Beginners who want a large build area without spending a fortune should choose this. Pass if you need the 8K precision of the Sonic Mighty 8K, the entry-level large volume leader. 12 gaming figures print in 4 hours, delivering 8K precision. Low-resolution screens often blur fine details. The Sonic Mighty 8K uses a 10-inch monochrome LCD with 7680 by 4320 resolution. This allows 0.028mm XY axis resolution for razor-sharp edges. Integrated Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity simplify the workflow. Connectivity options keep the process smooth. Prints slide off the build plate with zero effort. Large 218 by 123mm volume lets you batch print an army of miniatures. Onboard tutorials walk you through leveling and test prints. Wi-Fi allows you to start prints from your desk. Need a working camera? Non-functional camera, the unit ships with a webcam that lacks current firmware. High price point makes this a steep investment. Etsy shop owners who need batch production will find this a win. Pass if you prefer a budget-friendly option. The professional batch printing powerhouse. 8K resolution meets a massive build volume. Most resin printers struggle to balance size and detail. The Photon M3 Premium solves this by pairing a 10-inch 8K LCD with a 219 by 123 by 250 millimeter build volume. High-resolution printing allows for 0.0285mm XY resolution. Dual air filters keep your workspace clean. The NFEP resin vat film ensures failure-free prints. Precision is the primary win here. Tiny, legible text on a model's open book can be resolved. Large platforms allow you to pack multiple small parts for parallel production. Industrial design looks sharp. Dual integrated filters remove resin fumes. Worried about cleaning? Hardware layout, upward-facing bolts on the build platform make scrubbing difficult. Photon Workshop software feels clunky and slow. 8K resolution and massive volume make this the right call for those who need professional-grade detail on large-scale models. Pass if you prefer a streamlined software experience. The category-defining 8K powerhouse. Browse the description for the latest resin printer deals and pricing. Subscribe for more high-resolution 3D printing guides. Build better models.